Today, I host Ghana's biggest YouTuber, WODE.
The original people, especially the CEOs in lots of companies, they don't live fake life. But the people that they are working for the CEO, let's look at something from here. People that do work for Dangote, people that work for Jack Ma, Elon Musk. You see, Jack Ma, like Elon Musk, you see how their life is like. But people that work for them, their life are more variable. You see them like they are with more expensive clothes and more expensive attire than the owner or the CEO of the company. So it's like always when I can tell you that, I can boldly tell you that if you are doing something, do like being the original person, right? So don't come out and present yourself in a form like in a way that people will expect more from you, whilst you don't have more, right? Hello guys, thank you for watching this channel once again. Today we are having a new thing for you, and I hope you are going to enjoy this one. There was a certain guy who is called WODE and Jessica. Jessica is a Ghanaian, WODE is a Ghanaian, and WODE is I do call him the best YouTuber, or the most content creator and the most subscribers YouTuber in Ghana here, and he is the great YouTuber in Ghana here. When it comes to this Ghana continent, he's the one who has so many subscribers here. Yeah, that's true. In Ghana here, he's the one who has so many subscribers. He is saying some key points, some key words here, and I want you guys to enjoy some. And after watching that interview, I just across something that is very important to me, and here I want to share with you. So the first one is that
I started telling stories by Africans for Africans. That's when I started growing. Like,
be yourself. The guy was talking about a lot of people try to create fake life, and that one is also needed. When it comes to this kind of content and how we do live our life, we do live so many fake life.
I mean, I'm wearing a sleeve.
Really? Wait, my guy. Wait. Let me hold this, man. Dude just said he's going to meet the president of Ghana wearing this.
I met His Excellency John Ajako before with this. Yeah, I did.
Oh,
in his house. I met him with short.
Wow.
I think I was wearing this.
Or the ability to do that. Why? All because of the faking life that you're living. So one thing I want you to understand here is that living so many fake life, or doing things that it is not in you, or you don't have it, by doing it, all because of I want people to know that I do have that, right? So that are some things you need to take it out of your life. One thing that he said, WODE said it, and I was very happy with that, because a lot of people do make fake life. And he continued by saying that no matter where he will present himself to, or no matter where he will go to for interview and those kind of stuff, this guy will put any attire that he wants, any attire that he likes. Why? Because he don't want to live fake life and do things that will let people know that he's having it, but whilst he's not having it. No, he will do things. It's not because he cannot afford it. He can afford it, all right, but he don't want to live fake life there, because a lot of people are out there living fake life. And so WODE continue on saying that he has learned this, and these are the things that it has helped him a lot when it comes to YouTubing business. One thing that helps him a lot is that if you get a content, don't wait for some time before you bring it public. So fellas, as soon as you get a content, that time or that minute, if you do whatever you want to do about it, bring get a content, don't wait for some time before you bring out the content. Nah, that one, they don't do that. But if you get a content and possibility you can come out with that content the same, you don't have time that 2 weeks, 1 week, no, anytime. So he continued by saying that if you get a content, anytime you get it, he trace it or he upload it, right? So that one also very important. And I enjoy his show. I enjoy the show. But definitely, I want you to understand something here. You knew there are some ways it's so seamless. Always, I listen to the Jack Man's, Elon Musk, Steve Musk, and those kind of stuff. They always say some things that pop up here. You see, be yourself is so needed. In this life, we don't live fake life and we don't copy life. Yeah, don't copy other people's lives. Rather, you live your life, live your own life. If you're doing something that is so important to you, live your own life. Let your own life be important to you. Wow, I love it. So God bless you everyone for watching this video. Please kindly subscribe it, like it, comment and share, and I will be happy with that for seeing you liking my video. Subscribe it and share it for me. Bless up. My name is Success and I'll always be with you. Do not forget to subscribe it. Bye.